Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to read event viewer log for Chkdsk in Windows 10. Type event vwr.msc in Windows search bar. Click Event Viewer. Right-click Application Log. Click Filter Current Log. Select Chkdsk under Event Sources. Also select WinInit. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.